Aram. So for these two questions, I just drew a diagram, and I'm confident you can probably solve it after the diagram is drawn. So the first one is you have a flagpole that's in the middle. The first wire is 11.2 meters long and has an angle of elevation of 39 degrees. The second wire on this side has an angle of elevation of 47 degrees. How tall is the flagpole? Initially looking at this, I'm thinking, well, if I need to solve h, the height, if I just find one right angle triangle that has all the values, then do I really need anything else? No. So, sorry, computer was just dying there. Okay. So, if I look at this right triangle and I try to solve just the height, ignoring the second part, could I do it? If I could, then this part over here would be considered useless information. If I can't, then I would probably need to use the 47 degrees somehow. So, on this side, I see that I have an angle, I have a given side length, and I don't have the height. So I can go ahead and I have three pieces of information I can use SOHCAHTOA. So sine of 39 will equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and go ahead, I can solve for h by multiplying sine 39 times 11.2, and you're done. For the second question, so we've got a mountain, okay, and it is 680 meters high. The angles of depression of 2 points on opposite sides of the mountains are 48 and 32. So angles of depression would mean we're assuming you're at the very top, okay, and then you look down, 32 degrees on this side and 48 degrees on the other side. Now it's saying that if we were to build a tunnel from one point to the next, how long would this tunnel be? So which means, if I look at this triangle in here, okay, now thinking back to grade 9, there's that Z pattern. Okay, so there's a Z there, which means 48 degrees is there, and this is also going to be 48. 32 degrees is there, which means this is also 32. So our job is simply to find this length of the tunnel and this length of the tunnel and add them together. And if I look at this triangle on the right, I will have this is 680, and this is 48 degrees. Our job is simply to find that length. Okay? And the triangle on the left, I would have, it's a horrible triangle, but get the idea. That angle here would be 32. This height would be, again, 680, and then find that length. Add them up, and we're done. Okay? Hopefully that answers your question. If not, let me know. Okay? Take care. Bye.